Hello everyone, welcome back to the Big Book of Animals. We got another banging animal to show you today. So, we previously read about giraffes, and now it's time to read my favorite animal of all time. We're going to be reading about hippos and pigs. Hippos and pigs and their relatives are grouped with one another, ruminants and camels, mostly because of their hoofs. All stand on an even number of toes. The difference is that hippos, pigs, peccaries, and warthogs stand on 4 toes rather than 2. They are different in many other ways too. Hippos, for example, are semi-aquatic. They graze on land only at night and spend their days resting in the water and digesting. Their closest relatives may be whales. Instead of a rumen, they have a compartmentalized stomach. Pigs, warthogs, and peccaries, on the other hand, are omnivores. They also have special snouts. The very end is made of cartilage and bone so they can use it like a bulldozer. The most visible features shared by hippos and pigs are their tusk-like canines. These modified teeth are used for fighting as well as digging. If provoked, they can inflict severe wounds. For example, hippos kill more people in Africa each year than any other single disease, except malaria. Unfortunately, they are often surprised at night by people visiting the river to fetch water, bathe, or wash their clothes. Lifespans range from 15 to 20 years for pigs and relatives, and 55 to 60 years for hippos. Collared peccary. They live in southern United States, Central America, and South America. They are 33 to 60 pounds or 15 to 25 kilograms. And they eat roots, fungi, bulbs, nuts, fruit, eggs, carrion, small reptiles, and fish. Collared peccaries are found in 2 very different habitats, rainforests and deserts. In both places, they eat a variety of plant roots and bulbs. In the desert, there is one plant they need, the prickly pear. Without it, they would die of thirst. Common warthog. They live in Africa. They are 110 to 330 pounds or 50 to 150 kilograms, and they eat short grasses, roots, berries, bark of young trees, and sometimes carrion. The wart in warthogs refers to bumps made of cartilage like tissue on the animal's face. These are warts above and below the eyes, as well as along the lower jaw. These warts also have long white bristles which give the warthog a beard. Wild boar. They live in Europe, Asia, North Africa, and domesticated worldwide. They are 110 to 770 pounds or 50 to 349 kilograms, and they eat tubers, bulbs, grains, nuts, fruit, fungi, other plant material, manure, insect, larvae, eggs, small vertebrates, and invertebrates. The wild boar is the ancestor of the domestic pig. There are now more than 100 breeds, each a different mix of coat color, size, tail length, and shape of the ears and snouts. All are the same species and all like the same thing, wallowing in mud. And finally, Nile hippopotamus. They live in sub-Saharan Africa. They are 1,400 to 8,000 pounds or 635 to 3,629 kilograms, and they eat short grasses and other plants and also fallen fruit. With their eyes, ears, and nostrils just above the surface, hippos let their bodies sink under the water. This behavior is related to eating. Hippos need to rest to digest all of the food they eat. And it looks like our smallest animal out of these is the collared peccary, and our largest has to go with the Nile hippopotamus. These animals are just banging, and we're going to go more into camels, horses, and we're almost done with the mammal series. I think the last one's about primates. Alright guys, this is going to end it. Thank you for watching, and see you again soon.